You don't hear this bird, you feel it coming. High above the forest canopy, the hornbill moves like a flying legend. Its wings don't flap quietly, they thunder through the air, echoing across ancient trees. That massive beak? It's not just for show. Hornbills shape entire forests, spreading seeds that grow the next generation of life. When a hornbill disappears, the forest slowly forgets how to renew itself. This isn't just a bird, it's a guardian of the wild. Follow peak nature, where nature's giants still have a voice.